Okay, so we've got the pizza oven in use. We're on, gone off, nearly off the scale, 350 degrees. Got the stone going. I've cracked my top stone, you can see actually on the side there, so that sometimes happens. There's my naan bread. It's doing really, really well. Nice flame as well, you can see it actually rising now. Look at that guy go. So it's going to puff up in a minute. I'm going to turn it round, but they're doing very nicely. This is specifically a yogurt recipe as well, so I'll give it a little turn round. A bit of heat on there as well, but we're doing very nicely. So that's just a straightforward pizza stone. I've got a space where I can add my wood, so I've got a really good flame at the moment. You can see I can just drop my wood in the top when I need to, but I've got such a good flame. We're doing really well. So that little guy, I think he's almost ready to come out there. I'm just going to drop a bit of butter on top. So there we go. So there you go, naan breads in a pizza oven.